How to reference in your speech. So you're going to make a speech. The most important thing you need to keep in the front of your mind is that, as a general rule, no one cares what you think and no one cares what you believe. So with that as your sort of guiding principle, and this applies to me as well, I often speak about teaching or education. Importantly, no one cares what I think. I've been doing it for 10 years. I've got several degrees in teaching and education, and still, when I'm speaking about something, I have to reference other people that are experts, that have more degrees than me, that know more than me. So, keeping that in mind, no one cares what you think, no one cares what I think as well, unless you are perhaps, if you think of the news are doing a report on a certain subject, who is that person that they're getting in to speak on that topic? So, importantly, what you're going to do is, before you plan out your speech, before you back up your evidence, your ideas, you're going to start with what you think, of course, and then you're going to have to source people that agree with what you think or have some statistics to back you up, some information that supports your point. So rather than just Googling stats for global warming, if that's your topic or something similar, stats for space exploration, whatever it is, you're going to instead think of who are the experts that you're trying to draw on. So we're thinking of proper nouns. Proper nouns are words with capital letters in front of them. You're thinking groups like NASA, the Australian Bureau of Statistics, those sort of things. You want to be citing important people as well. So if your topic again was global warming, for example, the Google search you should be doing is leading global warming scientist, leading global warming expert. Find the people that are most important and make sure that their names are included in your speech. You don't want to be that one person who says, as according to BuzzFeed, global warming is a big and important thing. That's not what you're looking for. You're looking for the leaders, the experts, and the people that are most knowledgeable in the field that you are talking about, and make sure that you mention as many of them as you can. And that means anytime you're using some information that you've found, rather than just saying, did you know that 1 in 4 people will die from a coconut falling on their head? That's step one. Step two is to back it up. So you say, according to the Institute of Coconut Deaths in broader Europe, that then you say your statistic, and that way you add some real gravitas to what you're saying rather than just here's what I think and here's some statistics or some information that I haven't actually been able to back up. So keep in mind, no one cares what you think. They do care what experts think. Find out who those experts are, talk about them in your speech. That's the idea.